Good morning and welcome to the Farm and Home Show. I'm your host, Julie Brown, the Warren County 4-H Youth Development Agent. And this morning I'm going to be teaching you a recipe that is called the green egg bake. If you are currently receiving lunches from the schools, city and county schools right now, this is one of the recipes that you will be receiving this week. We're sending out weekly newsletters in those lunch bags. If you, for some reason, are not receiving them with your school, just contact the Warren County Extension Office and let us know that you're missing them at your school, and we'll be happy to be providing those newsletters to you. So this is our Healthy Choice newsletter, and we're going to get started on our green egg bake this morning. So you're going to start out with a skillet. If you can find one that is oven proof, will be the best if you have a cast iron skillet. If not, you'll need to transfer this over into like an 8x8 type of dish. So you're going to put in 2 tablespoons of oil, and then you're going to add in 1 large onion, chopped. And you're going to want this onion to cook for about 7 minutes. You want it to be fully cooked down. You want to have a nice aroma to it, along with nice and tender before you start adding in your other ingredients. If you was in the kitchen with me right now, you could definitely be smelling this onion. So I know that we're all home with our kids right now, coming up with different recipes. I will say this recipe, my 5-year-old or my 5th grader has tried it out, and he really does like it, along with several other people in my office. So after you get your onions cooked down, you're going to add in 4 cups of spinach to that. And this is also a good way to hide those vegetables, you know, that kids a lot of times don't like, but a lot of times they will eat an egg dish. But if you can hide that spinach in there, it'll work out really good. So you're going to cook this spinach until it is nice and wilted down in your skillets. So at home, I've already preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Is what you're going to want to do. And then you're going to, as you get this all nice and cooked down, you know, spinach right now is the time the gardening is started. You'll want to be putting, you can go ahead and put out vegetables for the cool weather. Lettuce is one of them. Asparagus is another type of cool weather vegetable that you could add as well. So once you get this cooked down, you're going to want to move this over to the side and let it cool. You're going to want to get 8 eggs. You're going to want to scramble those up, along with a half a teaspoon of pepper and a half a teaspoon of salt. You're going to whisk those all together. After you get that all whisked together, then you've kind of let your spinach and your onions cool. You will go back in and you're going to add a half a cup of cheese to those, to your spinach mixture. And you'll just stir in that half a cup of cheese. Until it's all nice and mixed together. Then you're going to take your egg mixture that you've mixed together, and you're going to want to add it over here into your spinach. And you're going to stir that together to make sure everything is all mixed together. And then you're going to put this in the oven and let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes is how long you need to put this in the oven. If your 25-minute mark, just jiggle it, and if everything seems to be solid, then you're ready to take out your egg mixture. What else is included in that newsletter when you pick those up out of your school lunches is we have other recipes included. We have fun tips for the parents to pick out, to learn about, and other different things as well. So if you have any questions about the Healthy Choice newsletter or the Chop Chop newsletters that we're putting in, please let us know at the Warren County Extension Office. Our phone number here is 270-842-1681. Thanks and have a great day.